Hello everyone, I am Plant Girl and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to talk about my recent purchase from the affordable organic store. So since so long period of time I was searching for Brazilian lucky wood and finally got it from affordable organic store. So for some period of time it was unavailable over there, and also one thing I was unsure about buying from affordable organic store because there are my few earlier experiences like negative kind of experiences from their store. So what generally happens regarding that store is when we buy any kind of plants from affordable organic store, they send those plants in form of cuttings, and those cuttings are very small and premature kind of. So what basically happens most of the times is they generally die during the shipping or they get affected during that time. So as for my suggestion, buying plants from their store is not recommended, but I didn't get this anywhere else, so I bought it from here. I'm going to unbox the package right now in front of you and let us see what the condition of that is, as well as I'm going to see few of other items which I have bought. So let's see that. So here is the box in which I have received my order. I have bought 4 of the products and I have placed the order on 26th of June. The order got shipped a day after that is on 27th of June, and I received the package on 2nd of July. So it took almost a week to receive the order. And as we see, here are all the items which we have got. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then some small items over there. So these are all the items which we got, and here is the total amount which is equals to 462 rupees, which is quite affordable. Here is a thank you note from them which they generally give. This is the grow bag which they generally give us as a complimentary thing. Then the first item which I have bought is flowering hormone. This is kind of a fertilizer for flowering plants. Let's give it a try. Then the second item here we have is plant growth fertilizer kind of thing. Then those are 5 gram, and then the small complimentary one. And here is a new kind of item which I have bought. So let's open and see what it is actually. I'm just tearing it up. So all the prices I have mentioned on the screen, and just opening this little thing. So this is basically wheat grass, kind of a doll, just kind of creative way opening it up, and here it is. It is a kind of small potli of wheat, and then it has 2 eyes, 1 nose and lips, giving it a doll kind of structure. And when we water it, it will grow hair kind of structure of wheat grass. So it's quite interesting, and it was at the cheap price, so I bought it. And now comes the most awaited and star of the show product, which is Brazilian lucky wood. So I placed this order because of that. And now gently we are going to open this up, just cutting the bottom of this package. So their way of packaging is very nice actually. They have put this ice cream stick just for us to make sure we have to cut from that part. And then I have opened this now, kind of some tissue paper or such stuff, and then inside that we have our main plant, which is Brazilian lucky wood. So this is considered lucky. It has good properties like air purification and all those things. And this is how it looks. The size looks really good. And talking about quality, I cannot predict that as of now. Inside the box we have nothing else, so that was it for this one. So we are going to place it inside water so as it will survive nicely in water. Here is the small glass bowl which I have taken for this purpose, And then for the wheat grass, I have a glass jar inside filled with water, and then we are going to put this onto the glass jar. So the string kind of structure which we have on the bottom side, I'm just going to insert that inside water so that it will soak all the water and give it to above part. This really looks cute, isn't it? I love this. So I'm just keeping it at a corner in my house along with my other cuttings, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so the next item, which is our flowering hormone, so I'm just opening it up. This looks like little kind of granules kind of structure, as well as some powdery structure which is yellow in color. I don't know what it is made up of. So I'm just putting it into my Ixora plant, which is not doing quite good these days. It has not flowered for certain period, so it will be good for us to predict the outcome of this fertilizer. And then I'm going to put this into my other plants. So this is total in 5 grams. So 5 grams for 5 plants will be fine for us. So I'm just putting it into all my other plants. And then the next item which we have is plant growth fertilizers. So this is pink in color, which looks quite interesting, and I'm going to put it onto my indoor plants. So my Monstera adansona is not doing quite good these days, so I'm going to put this fertilizer inside this, and let us see the results afterwards of how it goes. Okay, so after my Monstera adansonii, I'm going to put it into my other planters as well, and that was it for this all products. So that was it for today's video. I hope you found that helpful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Like this video and do share with your friends who would like to see such review videos related to plants. There are several playlists on my channel related to affordable organic store, as well as online purchases of plants and other stuff. I make videos related to plants and nature on this channel. So if you're interested, do subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. We will meet soon in a new video. Bye.